some researchers support the idea that the more and more complex the processing performed on information, the better it will be understood and the longer it will be retained. In particular, according to the Craik and Lockhart model, there would be 3 levels of processing that we explain below. The first level is that of linguistic perception, in which words are isolated, that is, the elements that constitute the message read or heard. The second level is that of syntactic and lexical processing, in which one tries to reconstruct the structure of the sentence. The third level, finally, is that of semantic interpretation, in which the meaning of the sentence is reconstructed. Therefore, the deeper the analysis of a text read or listened to, the more its syntactic semantic architecture is discovered. Consequently, it becomes desirable to intentionally lead the student towards deep decoding and recoding that allow him to discover the logical structure of the text and its most intimate meanings. But how? The tool that seems most suitable for the purpose is the map, that is, the grid representation of the text. In the following example, we will use a particular type of map, the textual one, but any other form of mapping would have been fine as well. Let us observe below the concretization of this work of dismantling the text and its reassembly in a reticular form so as to be able to appreciate its actual depth. These are the steps that are going to be implemented. The key words are isolated. The various conceptual nodes are progressively condensed. The cause-effect links are reconstructed. And in the end you get a synthetic network representation of the expressed meanings. Of course, providing useful tools to be able to dismantle and reassemble a text helps the student to carry out in-depth analyses and to represent the conceptual configurations discovered, but the outcome of this process still depends on the ways in which he uses these tools, that is, on the intensity and level of concentration with which he engages in the work of coding and recoding itself.